Card Monkey mod in Bloons Tower Defense 6, along with ultimate cross-passing, copy-paste, and limited fact tiers. This is my second time using this mod. The first time I was using this mod, it was actually like it was like a few minutes ago, or like a minute ago, and well, I was going to get the Paragon, but I had unlimited cross passing, so then I couldn't get all the 5 tiers, and I tried downloading them on, and it stopped my screen recording, so it was just kind of difficult. So yeah, I'm not going to do that. Also, now we have unlimited 5 tiers, so. So this is where I was using that one, but I also just got the I will use like banana farms and maybe villages if I do, but so I left off right here. Before I was like, oh no, I can't get the Paragon, and then I silly me decided to get the unlimited differ here instead of deleting the Paragon, and they didn't know it was gonna stop my screen recording. So funny. Why does cubism look so bright? That's better. So we're gonna just get the card message out. Now I have only used this mod once, so I haven't actually used the Paragon yet. So also, I do want to go over this, is what I was just going over, like, that, there we go, is that if you see my videos for no, it is not made for kids, that's because a big chunk of my videos just got shut down for, like, a bit, and we didn't know why. Like, YouTube kind of shut down a few of my videos. They were up in a few days, but, you know. So it shut down my videos, and I was just kind of confused, and it didn't really tell us directly from YouTube. It wasn't like, hey, blah, 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 so that's why your videos were deleted. Like, we were thinking, oh, hey, maybe it got, like, copyrighted, but I don't know. But these videos are made for kids, so it was saying that I could check if I go on a specific website on the specific places of the web, and then check and do all this complicated. It was back in a few days, so hours, but I just didn't know why it didn't. So if it's set for no, it's not made for kids, that's because all that happened. Literally don't know. Also, I do have the copy paste mod. And I can just, not that, I don't want to do that. And I just do this, yeah. So I just realized that the banana farm, this banana farm, makes a whole bunch of money, like a lot of money. So if you get marketplace valuable bananas, because Monkey Bank doesn't work in best, valuable bananas in the banana research facility, I don't know why it is so good, but it just makes you a bunch of money. Like, so much money. Like, so much money. It's just so much. Also, I am going to say that I have not heard about this mod from any specific YouTubers or specific people. It's just that all the mods I have, like, all the mods that I have that are currently equipped are from Doom Bubbles, which is the one that, like, basically, you know, made the modding and stuff, so he's, like, approved. And I don't want to, like, to just get random mods from random people, because I'm not the best at modding stuff yet. But right now I'm just gonna do it from, like, mainly that one person, so. See, this is crazy. So if like, I'm not, like, trying to, like, I actually haven't heard this about from any, like, YouTubers or anything. This is literally me just finding a random tower made by a person that I know is pretty safe, so. I think we should upgrade this guy. No, they're gonna regrow. Alright, fine. We're getting bam, bam, and bam. Maybe that will help out a bit. And flipping over a bit. I'm just gonna. Oh yeah, we do have ultimate cross passing. Probably should have mentioned that. So ultimate cross passing. To do all the blah blah blah. So we have limited 5 tiers, which means it's, well, but it sounds right. Limited 5 tiers. So yeah, okay, how does he throw that fast? How does he even throw that fast? See, this is the same with some powers, like a bionic boomerang gives him a bionic arm, so he can throw faster, that makes sense. Like, this is, that makes sense. Sniper Monkey gets some more powerful snipers, that makes sense. And then there's just some really random ones, like, how does Ice Monkey get faster? How does, I don't know, maybe there's train a bunch for that. Okay, apparently I got up here that can hit that. That's nice. It was wild cards. I think it was wild cards. But see if I can get Banana Central. Not even close. Let's see. Just because I do have cross pass on, I might just go straight for Banana Central, which is gonna be pretty good. Too bad. So I don't have the monkey knowledge quite yet for Marketplace to give me live, so I'm just gonna be stuck with 57 health. Man, I'm just gonna, like, whoa, shit, storm so fast. Okay, here's my question, How does he not have a paper cut? Think about that question. How does he not have a paper cut? How? Like, I mean, look at how fast he's running those. You think, how? And it's from like multiple at a time. How does he not have a paper cut? Such a good question. I feel like. Whoa. I think he does just have a bunch of paper cuts and you can't see them. But I don't just, yeah, because they're just throwing like little putties, yeah. So we're just gonna, we're not gonna just see how far this can go because unlimited 5 tiers and the Paragon can probably go really far, and I just don't want to just sitting here without home. I also don't have like the mod that speeds up time. Is there a mod that speeds up time? I don't know. So yeah, Marketplace with valuable bananas and banana research facility is just really good for some reason. I don't know why. Just really good. I don't know how it's so good. Wait, is that? Okay. I mean, he's so fast. I was playing double speed. Whenever I go to normal speed, I'm like, why do people actually play the game? I feel like the only time I go into normal speed is when I need to like get a tower down, or like when the balloons are getting thrown out to get like a specific tower to block them. Like, I feel like I never get to play in slow. Like, who does this? And I know they have like a triple speed mode. Now, so now I don't have double cash. That's so sad. So sad I don't have double cash. So yeah, this is just a ton of money. It's already made 27,000. Now what the heck? Why did it make so much money? How did it make that? I wonder if I can talk to this. I don't. Oh, that's what I was doing. So, wing that, not for sure. Ah. That would make sense. That would make sense. I crashed the window today. Sorry for all of you that have to watch me slowly do this. Last one, I was able to get a banana farm. Maybe like in this game too. Ah, that's nice. But the banana farms just make so much money. I should probably get some huge boards. Yeah, I took this upgrade. Apparently it's just like to summon, like, I don't know, that's not as easy as. So I can get a 5, 5, 5. Let's see how powerful a 5, 5, 5 card monkey is. And it can't see every type. Okay. Actually, I don't know if it can see every type. You wanna know why I don't know if it can see every type? Because it's monkey ace. It's so terrible. Because monkey ace, so if you get Spectre, then it can see lead. And it can see lead balloons. And if you get a village, it's camo detection. Like, let's say you get Spectre in this, so you want camo detection on it, and you get a village with camo detections, it can see camo on it. Spectre was off my arc, but as camo detection village. But if Spectre has camo detection village, like if Spectre does not have this upgrade, if Spectre doesn't go middle pass, it goes top pass, and it doesn't have, and if it does have camo detecting village, like it does have camo detection, it can't hit DDTs. You have to get MIB for that. Even though it can see lead and camo, and it can hit lead camo balloons, it can't see DDTs. And I don't know why that specifically can't hit it, but if you get Flying Fortress with camo detection, then it can see DDTs. You don't even need the middle pass upgrade. So it's just really weird. Really fun. Alright, that's the last bit until we get over mana farm down. Mana farm is so good. So good. actually see some workers in here. Yeah. I don't know if it's like it's bigger because sometimes to like fit it in places you have to place the normal tower and then move it down. Why does it have to be placed that far off the wall? Why does it? Whatever. Whatever. This is so nice not having to like drag it over and actually get all over as an extra step. So nice. So nice. If I have to drive it'll do it correctly, that's kind of weird, but better than usual. Alright, well, this seems pretty good. I mean, how much does this make? This is supposed to be about that. Whoa, okay, this makes a bunch of money. I wonder if you get banana central, then doesn't it like give a bunch of bucks to all the other ones? I don't know how much you use them. I don't know. I know it gives a buck. So I'm pretty sure this thing will be time to Paragon. Wait a minute, I have another bag. And I just need banana central and then I can just get a bunch of money for the big Paragon. Yeah. Just have to wait to make a bunch of money so the banana farm can... Oh look, it's almost there. I guess cross past banana farm is really good. This is so... I was like, huh, I wonder why the balloons are coming out right now. Oh, I wonder what. Alright, so we always got like what? Okay, this time it goes so fast. Hopefully the Paragon's better than the Firefly. It also would be kind of disappointing, you know, like the Paragon's not as good as the Firefly guys, but like how long is this rent? Oh, transfer. That was not good before. Look at that. Yeah, no, yeah, not around the 6 rep. Is this what playing with Pleasure 3 is like? Because they just have all the banana farms down. Is this just player 3? This is player 1. This is player 3. This is what? But, you know, the players trying to actually keep the balloons and the player 3 getting the farms down. All the banana farms. Almost there. How long is around 7 years? Should be a bit after that. Not good. But I want to keep that for the top videos at this point, but I already pushed them all back. What is still on different sides? Like, what is still on that side and some is on the other side? Like, why is this on this side? So... I'm gonna keep doing stuff. At first I was like, oh, it's because of the ability. But now it's like, not because of the ability? I don't know. Maybe it's not working because I have a 3-2 or a 3-2. I don't know. I can't get this one. I don't want to access it right now. Yeah, I can't see it, but there's like this little box, like right around my cursor. Yeah, you can't see it, but like if I press that button there, then into recording. So I don't want to do that. No, yeah, I know. This is taking forever. Alright, there we go. What does that make sense? I don't know. I know I've got to skip hair on right. Right now, but I don't want to do that. Let's just save up $10 million. Why not? Takes like no time. I'm just gonna. Man, if only we had like were able to put more money into it. It's over the distance. Oh no, I couldn't move. That's really good. That's really good. And I'm probably gonna get a banana for lunch. Just like completely unlocked. But that's really why did I do that? Okay, but let me tell the things that Netflix you could Paragon stuff in Sandbox mode. I don't know if you can do that in this version. Oh, I got a bunch of achievements. Oh, why am I getting? Thought that I modded the game. But... Okay. Alright, this isn't a bad. Alright, let's just see if we can mod it. Let's test it. Because I don't know if you can get a Paragon. So let's just do easy sandbox. I don't know if you can get a Paragon here. I haven't even done the BAD. I haven't even been BAD on this account yet. Crazy. Okay, let's Hey, it worked. Hey, it worked. Sorry. Oh, come on. Hold on a second. What round is this at? Oh, nice. There's just a community, and then we can use it as a sandbox method. Alright, I guess back to waiting. Oh, that was a 56-degree paragon. What paragon level is that? 52. Yeah, oh, this would be pretty good if like one of these was back at the end. Oh, not, but it'd be a good easy. Got it. Or and alright. That is so much fun. That is so much fun. I'm so much fun. That is so much fun. I mean, I just felt like not really good. I felt really good. I don't remember gonna make the banana farm here. It's big, slow, and incredibly hard to take down. Huh. I wonder if they're going to be saying that it's incredibly hard to take down in 5 seconds. I got a 000 banana farm. That's so good. Let's go to Monkey Meadow. Go to sandbox mode. I just want to see how far this paragon can really get. So, 5, 5, 5. I was just saying they came over real fortified. That I can't start the video like right now because I can't set the round. I can't set round. No. I can't. Okay, you guys probably can't see it, but there's this black, like, box right here. And it's blocking me from setting. I don't know why, though. I do know why it's just right in front of it. It's right, it's directly in front of it. It's like, it's actually directly, like, it's blocking it. How do I get rid of it? Well, I guess we're gonna be sending around one, just a pair of percent. Since it's round one, let's send like 999. Oh wait, no, I don't want the space to be 999. I want the space to be 1. And I went to count to be 999. Also, I'm just spamming this all around. Oh no. I'm not going to handle it. Alright, let's see if it can get a round loop. Okay, it already has around a million pops. That's not, I mean, what? Alright, so that's a million pops. Okay, I'm gonna clear this. I'm gonna. Joel said 3 rounds of just one. So I pressed that on like 3 times, but it's 199. And that's like a lot of BAD. BAD is so bad. So it's like pretty good. Okay, that's not going to pause. So it's like surprisingly, I feel like you have a slightly higher degree Monkey's Paragon might be better than this. I don't know though. That's pretty good. It's pretty good. So that's probably where we're gonna wrap up this video. That's very fun mod. Yeah, right. End of this video, so I'm about to, this is gonna be the end of the video.